Alright, now a new page will open. Here you can see an option of Generate. Simply click on it. On the new page, you have to click on the option of Create New Video. Okay, now it asks you to put some details about the video that you are going to generate. So we have the first option of the source of receiving the video. First is email me, while the second is upload to YouTube. Here you have to keep in mind that the second option is just for the app's subscribers. So I'll recommend to subscribe so that you can take advantage of automatic uploads of video content to your YouTube account. Next, we have the topic section. You can select Custom Prompt from the options to describe the video you want. Alright, after choosing your topic, then proceed to the next section which relates to voiceover. Here are two options of narrator voice which are male or female. Simply choose one of them according to your video's requirements. So after choosing the voice, simply move forward to our final step, which is background music. So choose the one you like most, then simply click on the option to create. Depending on the option you've chosen, it will generate the video and upload to your YouTube, or send you an email with a link to watch the video within a few minutes.
Ready to relive the magic of Oscar night? From the jaw-dropping surprise win of Parasite to the heartwarming acceptance speech by Viola Davis, these moments left audiences speechless. Remember the iconic Best Picture blunder when La La Land was mistakenly announced?
Wow, this looks incredible! But it gets even better. VidNarrate lets you schedule videos to be created and uploaded automatically. Imagine this. You can set it to post a new video every day, twice a day, or whatever schedule works for you. This is a total game changer because consistent uploads are key to growing your channel and building a loyal audience. And by scheduling videos at different times, you can reach viewers in different time zones, keeping your content fresh and relevant for everyone. VidNarrate offers 3 plans. The starter plan is $19 per month, which is great for beginners who want to try things out. The daily plan, at $39 per month, gets you 1 new video uploaded every day, a solid option if you're getting serious about building your channel. But here's the real deal, the twice daily plan for $69 per month. With 2 videos uploaded every single day, you'll have a constant flow of fresh content, giving you a major edge in reaching global audiences and growing your channel fast. For what you're getting, it's an incredible value, and I strongly recommend going for this plan if you're serious about making an impact. With VidNarrate, storytelling becomes seamless. Add your script, and the AI crafts stunning visuals and engaging animations in seconds. After creating amazing videos, you can use the download button under any video to save the video and upload them on any social media platform. In fact, VidNarrate not only saves time, but also makes every project look like a masterpiece. So, be ready to elevate your storytelling and unleash your creative potential with this amazing tool.